guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup graveyard for you, and in this one we are going through my blush, bronzer and highlighter drawer. This idea was not my own. I did get it from Tati from Glam Life Guru, and she cleaned out her collection and it inspired me to clean out mine. So if you guys would like to see what I've decided to keep and what I'm getting rid of, just keep watching. So this is my blush drawer. Once again, I do have these dividers that I made up myself. I measured like my smallest blushes to my biggest kind of blush palette. And then up the back, I just have a section for my larger products and then like my cream ones, because I obviously didn't want to put them in with these. So I'm just gonna, I guess, go through with what I use, what I don't use. There isn't much in here that I don't use, but there is some that is rather old. So on this side, I have my e.l.f. Cool Bronzer. This one I have hit pan on and I absolutely love. Then I have my two blush trios. This one is in the color Endless Summer and it just looks like this. It has kind of watermelon-y shades. And then the other one that I have is in the color Coral Me In, and it has more kind of orangey coral shades. So I'm going to keep those two. I haven't got enough use out of them, and I absolutely love the BYS blushes too. So to have them in a set of 3 is amazing. Then I have this Maybelline bronzer. This is in the color Mocha Velvet. It just looks like this. As you can see, it's a little bit worse for wear. It has that kind of film where there's like liquid has been on the product, and the product's kind of gross, and I think I'm actually just going to throw this one out. I don't think I'm even going to pass it on to anyone because the product's not very pigmented, and I have obviously swelled my brush in it after foundation or whatever, and it does have this weird kind of layer on it. So I'm just going to chuck that one. Then in the middle here, I have my two Australis Paparazzi Perfect High Definition blushes. This one is in the color Poser. This is just the bronze color. And then I also have the one in Screen Siren. Oh no. This is in Shoot to Thrill, sorry. This is the pinky one. I have Screen Siren in the car at the moment because I did my makeup in the car last night. I have this little Glam blush and bronzer duo. I haven't even used this. I haven't even opened it. I'm going to pass it on. I have my BOE or my Bow Beauty bronzer. This is just their standard bronzer. It is kind of a reddy brown color, and it is a nice kind of lightish bronzer, and I'm going to keep that one because I haven't got much use out of it. Then I have my BOE shimmer highlighter, and I like this one. I'm going to keep that. And I have my Essence Vampire Loves shimmer powder. This one is in the shade Little Vampire, and I like that one too, so I'm going to keep that. Then on this side here, I have more just blushes. So the first, I have my BYS blushes. This one is in the color Candy Floss. You guys know how much I love this. This is like my go-to everyday kind of blush, so I'm keeping that one. I have this one in Pink Velvet. This is kind of a dark mauvey pink color. I'm going to keep that. I have this one in the color Coral. I love this for just a kind of a summery day. It's great. I'm keeping that one. These BYS blushes I love because they have like one in every shade. This one is in the color Pretty in Pink. Once again, I just like it, and it's got a nice sheen to it, and it's just, yeah. And this one is in the color Fierce Fuchsia. Then I have a MAC blush. This is in the color Ambering Rose. This is one of my 2 MAC blushes, and I really like it, so I'm going to keep it. I have a Savvy by DB Mineral blush. This is in the color Mineral Rose, and is actually really similar to Ambering Rose that I just showed you. I don't know how I feel about this one because it's not super pigmented, and it's just there. It's kind of more of a like brownie toned blush. I have had it for quite a while too, but I can't decide if I want to get rid of it or if I want to keep it, because I do still use it sometimes, so I think I'm going to keep it for now. I have my NYX cream blush in the color Glow. I'm going to keep this one. It's not very old and it's still really nice and creamy. So next up here I have my Savvy. This is just a classic blush, not a mineral or baked one, and this is in the color Plum. I really love these blushes. They have a really nice texture, and yeah, so I'm going to keep that one. It's also quite new. Then behind that, I have the Jordana blush in Coral Sandy Beach. This I heard raved about so much when I first started YouTube, and the Jordana blushes are actually really nice, and I really like this coral color. I've used it quite a lot, and I'm going to keep that one. If you're in South Australia, you can buy Jordana at Cheapest Chip stores. Otherwise, I believe you can buy it on Cherry Culture and Beauty Joint, places like that. Then I have my Essence Me and My Ice Cream cream blush. This one is still really nice and creamy. Just looks like this. And I'm gonna keep that one too. I don't use this one much, but I do like it for kind of natural makeup days, and then if I don't use it in the next little while, I might get rid of it. Back here I have a couple more blushes. I have this little 10 Pro blush that looks like this. It's just a really nice baby pink colour, but I think I'm going to pass it on. I never use it. I also have a BYS Baked Blush, dropping it everywhere. This is in, this doesn't have a colour, it's just a baked blush. This one is quite old and it's kind of this like orangey peachy colour. Just looks like this. It is a more orange than some other stuff I have, so I think I'm going to keep that one and try and get some more use out of it. Then up the back here I have, first of all, I have my large Savvy, this is the Mosaic Jumbo Illuminizer, but it broke and like smashed into a million pieces, so I just pressed it back in, which is why it's not Mosaic anymore. It's just kind of an illuminating bronzer. Just looks like this. It's a really nice bronze shade, and it is a nice glowy bronzer that's not too orange based, so I'm going to keep that one. I have my Bourjois blush. This is in the shade Rose Dior, and this reminded me a lot of the Milani blush in Rose Dior or Luminoso or one of those ones, so that was why I picked this one up originally. I'm not very impressed with like pigmentation though, but I guess it is a nice pinky colour, and I'm going to keep that one. It's a good reference to have in my collection. These are back here just because they either don't fit in the slots or I don't reach for them very often. Then I have this Maybelline Mineral Power blush. This one is super old and I've had it for quite a while. It's one of the ones that you open and it's got like the sifter. I'm going to pass this on. This one is in the colour Gentle Pink. I never use this. And it was one of the first things that I got, like, made its way into my collection. So I'm going to pass it on. My mum might actually really like it. I then have this Essence Shimmer Pearls in Me and My Ice Cream. They just have this little thing, and then obviously it's a bunch of pearls. I love these for a really subtle highlight, and I like that they're all different kind of colours. They can also work really well as a finishing powder, so not to set your makeup but to put on as a finishing powder over top of it all, and they smell really good, so I'm going to keep those ones. Then over here I have liquid stuff. So I have this Essence Vampire Loves Blush Jelly. This is in the colour 01 Bloody Mary, and you just put a tiny bit on, and it's kind of like a cheek stain, so you just put a tiny bit on and then you'd blend it in, but you only need the tiniest bit. Like, that is way too much, but it's a really pretty colour. So I don't really know how to apply these though, and now like I have a stained finger, so if you applied it you'd have to be really careful. I might keep it for now. It is a unique product and I don't have anything else like it, so I might keep it for now and put it in like a project pan or something, and then I will see if I get some use out of it. If not, I'll get rid of it. Then I have the e.l.f. All Over Colour Stick. This is in the colour Lilac Petal, and mine is actually broken, so this little bit here is supposed to like push down, and mine doesn't push down or twist or anything, so I'm just gonna chuck that one and get rid of it because nobody needs it. So I'm keeping 23 blush, bronzer and highlighter products. This drawer is all my blushes, bronzers and highlighters, so I'm quite impressed with that. And the little collection I do have here, I'm not throwing many out because I am happy with what I have, and I haven't kind of bought products that I don't really like or I don't really use. I am getting rid of these 5 products over here, and I will pass them on to family or friends or my sister or whatever. So that is what I'm getting rid of. So it's given me a little bit more space in my collection and has cleared out some stuff that I don't use, and so with what's left I'm really happy with what I have, and it gives me still some room to grow. So that is my blush and bronzer makeup graveyard. Let me know in the comments below if you are enjoying this series and if it's inspired you to clean out any of your collection. Also let me know if you're interested in any of the products that I've shown, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!